n'a salué tout auditeur, auditrice. Émission Ti Cause sur Haïti qui porte pour nous matin et émission Connaissance et richesse. Émission Connaissance et richesse, mesdames, messieurs, c'est une émission éducative que nous est dédiquée pour vous-même chaque jeudi pour capable apprendre yon kichoy. Mais nous t'ai commencé avec et classe anglais. Semaine dernière, nous t'ai commencé pour les débutants, bien précisé. Plus tard, débutants pour avancer, eh bien, nous pas arriver dans l'autre niveau ou même qui pas co-brancher émission ça, pas quitter temps passé ou pas en retard de classe. Qui donc matin nous retourner encore pour nous capables et présenter émission ça qui c'est une émission éducative ou capable apprendre anglais ou capable apprendre espagnol, mais nous commencer avec langue anglaise et pas seulement langue n'a enseigné à travers émission ça, connaissance c'est richesse, n'a bien pour nous capable bail l'autre formation professionnelle. Ou même qui pas de chance pour aller dans l'école, ou même qui pas de chance pour aller chita, pour apprendre anglais, pour apprendre espagnol, pour apprendre informatique et d'autres choses, ou pas de chance pour aller chita un côté pour apprendre. Eh bien, nous-mêmes, à travers Ti Cause sur Haïti News Info, nous porter émission ça pour vous-même, une émission d'apprentissage, côté que vous êtes capable d'apprendre, mesdames, messieurs, langue et profession, c'est que technique, c'est que vous pouvez apprendre l'autre bagaille en plus de langue. Langue, c'est un mécanisme très important dans la vie chaque haïtien nous capable de dire dans la vie chaque monde, parce que on a besoin anglais, on a besoin espagnol là qui c'est de langue commerciale ou capable vivre quel que soit pays et bien ou capable vivre avec et langue ça. Et ça fait nous pas dire français fait partie, mais nous plus basés sur anglais avec espagnol. Anglais avec espagnol. Donc, plus particulièrement, haïtiens voyager dans le pays latino, puis plus, ils voyager dans le pays anglophone, puis plus. Oui, francophone, mais nous avons une langue française qui est déjà pour nous, nous capables de dire, même si tout haïtien ne parle pas français, mais pour joindre majorité, ils comprennent, ils entendent, et nous plus et voulons aider à apprendre anglais avec espagnol. Nous allons commencer dans le deuxième niveau, côté que jeudi dernier, nous avons démarré déjà avec première classe là, première étape là. On y a franchi dans la deuxième session, mesdames, messieurs. Et n'a dit, ou même qui a chance pour suivre émission éducative ça, si ou déjà qu'on parle anglais, eh bien, ou aider émission à avancer, aider l'autre monde, partager émission pour l'autre monde capable de suivre, qui pas de chance pour apprendre, qui pas de chance, qui pas en connaissance de émission, eh bien, ou même, on va permettre que les mêmes, les arriver et au courant pendant que on va partager émission ensemble avec lui. Ou même tout, qui vient pour apprendre, on va partager ensemble avec l'autre monde, qui capable de même chance ensemble avec vous pour suivre émission ça, pour apprendre même gens avec vous. Vous gagnez présentateur, émission orateur, et notre Octavien. Ou à suivre nous depuis New Jersey, mesdames, messieurs. Nous toujours là pour nous accompagner. Nous dire bon apprentissage. Nous allons quitter là, nous allons retourner tout à l'heure après classe là.
Isabel, Pierre, come here, please. Let's practice, okay?
Okay.
Do you speak English?
I speak English a little bit from my classes in Haiti.
Good. My name is Mr. Tandy. What is your name?
My name is Pierre.
Welcome to our class, Pierre.
It's nice to meet you.
Pierre, I would like you to meet Isabel. Isabel, meet Pierre.
Hi, Pierre. It's nice to meet you.
Please say your name again.
Isabel.
Hello, Isabel.
Where are you from?
I'm from Haiti.
What is your last name?
My last name is Wesley. My middle name is Joseph. My full name is Pierre Joseph Wesley.
My middle name is Lucinda. My last name is Chang. My full name is Isabel Lucinda Chang.
What is your full name? Okay, sit down, please.
Ouch!
I'm sorry. Sorry.
Mr. Tandy, when I see you, I say hello. Or, how are you?
Yes, those are called greetings. Greetings.
Only hello and how are you?
No, there are other greetings. Hey, how's it going? What's up? What's happening? How are you doing? There are others, but these are the common greetings.
Hey, Mr. Tandy.
Hi, Teresa.
How's it going?
All right, thanks.
What's up?
Nothing. What's up with you?
What's happening?
Not much. When you first meet a person, say, hello, it's nice to meet you. When you see a friend, use these greetings.
Hello.
Hey, how's it going? What's up? What's happening? How are you doing? Yes, Teresa?
Where is Oscar?
Oscar is in Mexico.
Who is Oscar?
Oscar is a student in this class.
When is he coming back?
He is not going to return.
I'm sorry that your friend isn't here.
Oscar lives in Mexico. Where do you live?
I live in Baker, California. Where do you live?
Teresa, what day is today?
I don't understand.
What does today mean?
Today means this day. Today is Friday. Teresa, what day is today?
Today is Friday.
Sam, what is the date today?
What does date mean?
Date means month, number, and year.
Oh, the date is November 14th, 2003.
That's right. Today is Friday, November 14th. Today. Today. Today at night is called tonight. Tonight. Isabel, what day was yesterday?
Please repeat that, Mr. Tandy.
What day was yesterday?
What does yesterday mean?
Yesterday means the day before today. Yesterday was Thursday, November 13th. Yesterday. Teresa, what day was yesterday?
Yesterday was Thursday, November 13th.
Tomorrow. Tomorrow. Teresa, what day will tomorrow be?
Tomorrow will be Saturday, November 15th.
On your calendar, what day was yesterday?
What day will tomorrow be?
This is a month. Month. This is a week. Week. This month is November. This month is November. This month, last month, next month. Yes, Pierre?
Last month was October.
That is right. Last month was October. Teresa, what will next month be?
Next month will be December.
Good. Next month will be December. Yes, Sam.
This month is November.
This month? Last month? Next month?
This week, last week, next week.
Great, Isabel. This week, Pierre comes to school. Last week, Pierre arrived in the United States. Next week, I will teach you about food. Last night, Sam watched TV. Last night. 2 days ago was Wednesday, November 12th. 2 days ago. 4 days ago was Monday, November 10th. 4 days ago. The time is 9:15. 10 minutes ago, it was 9:05. 1 hour ago, it was 8:15.
2 years ago was the year 2001.
2 months ago was September.
2 hours and 15 minutes ago, it was 7 o'clock.
In 2 days, it will be Sunday. In 15 minutes, it will be 9:30. In 3 years, it will be the year 2006. In 2 months, it will be January.
In 3 months, it will be February.
Monday. Sunday is before Monday. Before. Tuesday is after Monday. After. May is before June. Before. July is after June. After.
I go home after school.
I eat breakfast before school.
I do my homework after dinner.
I arrive at school before 8 o'clock. Now it's 9:20 a.m. Now we are in the classroom. Before school, I was at home. After school, I will be at home. Now, I am in the classroom. Now. Oh, hi, Mrs. Martinez.
Hi, Mr. Tandy. How are you?
I'm fine, thanks. Class, I would like you to meet Miss Martinez.
Hi, Mrs. Martinez. My name is Teresa.
It's a pleasure to meet you, Teresa.
It's nice to meet you, too. This is Sam.
Hi.
That's Isabel. And that's Pierre.
I'm happy to be here. I am a teacher. I'm going to teach you English with Mr. Tandy.
I'm sorry, I don't understand.
What does going to mean?
Please say that again, Mrs. Martinez.
I'm going to teach you English.
Yes, Pierre.
Excuse me, I don't understand.
What does going to mean?
I'm going to open this book. I'm going to close this book. Tomorrow, I'm going to eat Chinese food. Isabel, what are you going to do tomorrow?
I don't know.
You don't know what you're going to do tomorrow?
No, I don't know.
Tomorrow, I'm going to run for 2 hours.
I'm going to do my homework tomorrow.
What are you going to do tomorrow night?
Tomorrow night, I'm going to watch a movie with Teresa. Watch a movie.
No, you're not.
Darn. I'm going to leave now.
No, you're not.
Just joking.
Okay. Mrs. Martinez is going to teach you English.
Oh, okay.
What are you going to do this summer?
Excuse me, Mrs. Martinez? I don't understand.
Please repeat that, Mrs. Martinez.
What are you going to do this summer?
What does summer mean?
Summer is June, July, and August, when it's very hot outside.
June, July, August are summer.
That's right. Look at this. Summer. Summer. These people are on the beach. It's sunny and hot. Is it hot in summer where you live? September, October, and November are called fall.
Fall is September, October, and November.
Fall. Fall. Or autumn. Autumn. These people are in the park. It's cool and windy. Is it windy in the fall where you live? December, January, and February are winter, when it's cold.
Winter is December, January, and February.
Winter. Winter. These people are outside. It's very cold. Is it cold in winter where you live? March, April, and May are spring.
Spring is March, April, and May.
Spring. Spring. These people are in the park. It's warm and sunny. Winter, spring, summer, and fall are seasons. Seasons. From September to June, you come to school. In the summer, June, July, and August, you don't come to school. There are no classes in the summer. Do you understand?
Yes, we understand.
Do you go to school in the summer?
January is the first month of the year. First.
Sunday is the first day of the week.
This is the first page of the book. First. This is the last page of the book. Last.
December is the last month of the year. Saturday is the last day of the week.
This is the beginning of the book. Beginning. This is the end of the book. End.
January and February are at the beginning of the year. November and December are at the end of the year.
June is at the beginning of summer.
This summer, I am going to swim. 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 This summer, I am going to read. 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 What are you going to do this summer?
I don't know.
I don't know.
I'm going to practice English.
I'm going to learn English.
I'm going to practice English too.
What are you going to do tomorrow? Mrs. Martinez, are you going to teach English this summer?
Yes, I'm going to teach English. Mr. Tandy is going to swim and read. Swim, read, and teach are verbs.
Walk, sit, and stand are verbs. What are some other verbs?
Is point a verb?
Yes. Point at me.
Write is a verb.
Sleep is a verb.
I'm going to go to the office. Pierre, please come with me.
Okay.
Bring your backpack, please.
Bye.
Bye, Pierre.
Goodbye.
Pierre is a new student. He is going to be in a different class. Let's look at verbs. Point, swim, read, teach, sleep. Look at me. Look at me. I am going to teach you verbs. Stand up, please.
He's going to teach us verbs.
Jump. Jump.
Mr. Tandy jumps.
We jump.
They jump.
Run. Run. Throw. Throw.
Throw.
Catch. Catch. Throw the ball to me, Sam. Isabel, catch the ball. Dance. I dance.
He dances.
They dance.
We dance.
Now, you dance. Sam, you're going to dance.
Okay.
Start. Stop. Sing. O sole mio, I sing to you. O sole mio, we sing so true.
They sing.
O sole mio,
Sam sings.
I sing to you.
Sam, you're going to sing.
All right.
Start.
O sole mio.
Stop. Talk. Sam, I went to the store last night and bought a loaf of bread. Then I drove home. Talk. Teresa, you speak Spanish.
Me llamo Teresa. Soy de Colombia. I speak Spanish.
Sam, you speak Korean.
안녕하십니까, 김치만이 먹어.
Teresa speaks Spanish and English. Sam speaks English and Korean.
What languages do you speak?
Listen. Listen. Look. Look. Fall.
Fall.
I'm going to get up. Get up. Pick up. Pick up. Open. Open. Close. Close. Read. Read. I'm going to put down the book. Put down. Isabel, pick up the book, please. Open the book. Read the book. Close the book. Put down the book. Thanks. Write. Write. Drop. Drop. Pick up. Pick up. I am going to eat this sandwich.
Eat.
Drink. Drink.
Mr. Tandy drinks the orange juice.
Tear. Tear.
He tears the paper.
Throw away. Throw away. Break. Break. Think. Think.
I think you're a good teacher.
I think you're a good student. Hi, Mrs. Martinez.
Hello, Mr. Tandy. Hey, kids. Mr. Tandy, come. Come. Okay. Now, Mr. Tandy, go. Go. Come. Come. Go.
I go.
Mr. Tandy, bring the banana to me.
Bring. Bring.
Take the peach away from me.
Take away.
Take the peach to Sam.
Take.
Sam, bring the peach to me.
Bring. Bring.
Sam, take the banana to Mr. Tandy.
Take.
Mr. Tandy? Pull. I pull Mr. Tandy.
Pull. Push. I push the computer. Hit. I hit the table. Kick.
He kicks the table.
Take away. She takes the cantaloupe away from me. Give. She gives the cantaloupe to me. Take the cantaloupe away from me. Give the cantaloupe to me. I have a cantaloupe. Have.
I have a grapefruit. Have.
Move. Move.
Sam, move the grapefruit.
Move.
I have $2.
I have $1.
Teresa, how much money do I have?
You have $2.
Mr. Tandy has $2.
How much money does she have?
She has $1.
How much money do I have?
You don't have any money. Or you do not have any money. Don't is the contraction for do not. Contraction. Do not or don't.
He does not have any money, or he doesn't have any money. Doesn't is the contraction for does not. How much money do you have? Three strawberries cost 30 cents. One strawberry costs 10 cents. Cost. Isabel, how much money do you have?
My money is at home. I only have 25 cents.
Do you want to buy these strawberries for 25 cents?
Yes.
Isabel buys the strawberries from me. Buys. I sell the strawberries to her. Sell.
Mr. Tandy, do you want to buy the strawberries for 50 cents?
Okay. I'm going to pay you 25 cents now and 25 cents later. Pay.
I'm going to sell the strawberries to you for 50 cents.
I pay Isabel. Teresa, take away the strawberries.
How?
Reach. Reach. You can reach. Can. Reach. You can't reach. Reach. You can reach. Isabel, lift the TV. Lift. Lift.
I can't lift the TV.
Or you cannot lift the TV. Can't or cannot. You can't lift the TV or you cannot lift the TV. I'm going to help. Help. I help Isabel lift the TV. Jump.
I can't jump. Can't.
Jump.
I can jump. Can.
I can eat the strawberry. Can. I can't eat this pencil. Can't. Or cannot. Can't or cannot.
Can I have your money?
No, you can't have my money. Or you cannot have my money. Listen, I hear a sound. Here.
I hear it too.
I can't hear it. Oh, now I hear it. Can you hear it?
You must come to school between Monday and Friday. You must come to school.
We must eat every day. Must. We must sleep every night.
I must clean my house every Saturday.
I must go to track practice after school.
Ask a question. Where are you from? What time is it? How are you? When is your birthday? Ask. Answer me.
I am from Mexico. It's 10 o'clock. I'm fine. My birthday is August 25th.
Answer. Ask me a question.
Where is your house? Answer me.
My house is on Washington Street. Isabel, ask Teresa her name.
What is your name?
Good. Teresa, please answer her.
My name is Teresa.
Make a sandwich. Make. Teresa, make a funny face. Make. Laugh. Laugh. Make a sad face. Say. Mrs. Martinez, say walk.
Walk.
Sam, say house.
House.
Say hello.
Hello.
Change. Change. Teresa, change places with Isabel. Let's change again. Change.
Sam, change your watch.
Change. Mr. Tandy,
Yes.
can I go to the bathroom?
Yes, you can. Can I go to the bathroom or may I go to the bathroom? Can I or may I?
May I go to the bathroom too?
Wait until Sam returns. Wait.
Mr. Tandy, what are you doing?
I am writing. what are you doing?
I am laughing. What are you doing?
I am running. Whew. This is called present continuous. We put ing on the end of verbs. Jumping, laughing, running. We use present continuous when we talk about something that is happening right now.
What are you doing?
I'm drinking water.
Sam is here. May I go to the bathroom now?
Okay. What are you doing?
I'm looking at my watch.
Teresa, what are you doing?
I'm dancing. Mr. Tandy, what are you doing?
I'm pulling the paper.
I'm tearing the paper.
She's tearing the paper. Teresa is looking at a magazine. Now she is reading the magazine. I have a hairbrush. Have.
I have an apple.
Sam has an apple. Has. Eat the apple. Teresa, is Sam sleeping?
No, he is not sleeping.
Isabel, what is Sam doing?
He's eating an apple.
She has a magazine.
I have a magazine.
Teresa, tear the magazine. Isabel, is Teresa throwing a ball?
No, she's not throwing a ball.
Sam, what is Teresa doing?
She's tearing the magazine.
Isabel has orange juice.
I have orange juice.
Isabel, drink the orange juice. Sam, is Isabel running?
No, she isn't running.
Teresa, what is Isabel doing?
She's drinking the orange juice.
To ask a question about what they have, use do or does. Sam, do you have a magazine?
No, I don't have a magazine. I have an apple.
Teresa, does Sam have an apple?
Yes, Sam has an apple.
Isabel, do you have an apple?
No, I don't have an apple. I have orange juice.
Teresa, do you have a magazine?
Yes, I have a magazine.
Isabel, what does Sam have?
Sam has an apple.
Teresa, what does Isabel have?
Isabel has orange juice.
Sam, what does Teresa have?
Teresa has a magazine.
Teresa, does Sam have a backpack?
No, Sam does not have a backpack. He has an apple.
Isabel, does Teresa have a TV?
No, she doesn't have a TV. She has a magazine.
Sam, does Isabel have orange juice?
Yes, Isabel has orange juice.
Do I have a book?
No, you do not have a book.
What do I have?
You have a hairbrush.
Do and does are also verbs. I do my homework. Teresa does her homework.
What do you do after school?
After school, I do the dishes. I do the dishes. All right, everybody. It's now 10:05. Please return to the classroom at 10:15.
Mr. Tandy, you have wonderful students.
They're your students, too. Thank you for helping.
Sam, you're early.
No, I'm Sam.
No, Sam, you are early for class.
What does early mean?
Mr. Tandy asked you to be here at 10:15. Now it's 10:10. You're here before 10:15. You're early. Hi, Teresa. You're on time.
What does on time mean?
Mr. Tandy asked you to be here at 10:15. Now it's 10:15. You're on time.
I was early. You were on time.
Isabel, you are late.
What does late mean?
Mr. Tandy asked you to be here at 10:15. Now it's 10:20. You're arriving after 10:15. You're late. If Mr. Tandy asks you to be here at 10:15, you have to arrive at 10:15 or before 10:15.
Sam was early. I was on time. You are late.
Arriving late is bad. Don't come to class late. Come to class on time. After school, you are going to stay here for 20 minutes. Stay.
Okay.
If you have a test tomorrow, what do you have to do tonight?
If I have a test tomorrow, I have to study tonight.
Good, Teresa. What does study mean?
Study means to get ready for a test. If I study, I can take the test.
How do you study?
We look at our class notes and read our books.
We also ask the teacher a lot of questions.
Study. Study.
Have and has can be used when something is yours or you're holding it. I have a car. Teresa has a pencil. Have and has are also used when something must happen. I have to go to the bathroom. She has to study for her test.
Isabel, can you go to the park with me on Saturday?
No, I have to clean the house on Saturday. Sam, is it okay to be late to class?
No, we have to be in class on time.
Isabel, look at me. Look at me.
I can't see you.
Can you see me now?
Yes, now I can see you. See.
Can you see the computer?
No, I can't see anything. Now I can see the computer.
I work at this school. I work as a teacher. Work.
I also work as a teacher. I work from Monday through Friday. I don't work on Saturday or Sunday. What does she have?
She has $5 and a pencil.
You can keep the pencil. Keep means you can have it. It's yours.
Can I keep the money?
No, you can't keep the money. You have to return it. Return. The money is mine. Oh, you can keep the pencil.
This is money. Money.
I have money.
I have money too.
These are bills. Bills. These are coins. Coins. $1. $1. Or a buck. Buck. $5. $5. $10. $10. $20. $20. $50. $50. $100. $100. 1 cent. 1 cent. Or penny. Penny. $5. 5 cents. Or nickel. Nickel. 10 cents. 10 cents. Or dime. Dime. $0.25. 25 cents. Or quarter. Quarter. $0.50 piece. 50-cent piece. Or $half. $half. $1. $1.
I have $6.35.
I have $2.43.
I don't have any money.
Sam, please go to the door.
Okay.
Turn off the lights. The lights are off. Off. Turn on the lights. The lights are on. On. Isabel, point up.
Up. Up.
Point down.
Down. down. Up, down.
He is upstairs. Upstairs. He is downstairs. Downstairs. This is my hand. Hand. Hands. This is my left hand. Left. This is my right hand. Right. Left. Right. Teresa, point to the right.
Right.
Point to the left.
Left. Right. Left.
Okay, now you're going to go outside with Mr. Tandy. Isabel, I'm sorry, you're not going to go with them. You were late. You're going to stay here with me.
What is that, Mr. Tandy?
That is a restaurant. Restaurant. People eat at a restaurant. Restaurant. That is a street. Street. Or road. Road. Cars drive on the street. This is a sidewalk. Sidewalk. People walk on the sidewalk.
What is that, Mr. Tandy?
That is a bank. Bank. People put money into a bank. Bank.
What is that, Mr. Tandy?
That is a grocery store. People buy food at a grocery store. Grocery store. Teresa, don't walk in the street. Please walk on the sidewalk. That is a swimming pool. Swimming pool. That is a gas station. Gas station. A grocery store, gas station, bank, and restaurant are all businesses. Businesses. Or companies. Companies. That is a post office. People send letters at a post office. Post office. This is a library. People borrow books from a library. Library. That is a medical clinic. People see the doctor at a medical clinic. Medical clinic. Hardware store. People buy tools at a hardware store. Hardware store. This is a park. People play in a park. Park.
What is that?
This is a map. Map. We are here. We are in the park. We are here. The library is there. The gas station is there. It is 2 blocks away. We are here. The bank is there. We are here. We are in the park. You're going to the post office. Go straight on Pine Street for 2 blocks. 1, 2. Turn left on First Avenue. Go straight on First Avenue for 3 blocks. 1, 2, 3. Turn right on Spruce Street. The post office is on the left side of the street. Meet us at the library in 10 minutes. Don't be late.
Okay. Hi.
Hi, Sam.
10 minutes. You're on time.
We're at the library.
Yes, we are at the library.
Whoa. I'm going to buy a car when I have the money.
I'm going to buy a car too.
First, you have to get a driver's license. Driver's license. Come on. This is where you get a driver's license. It's called the Department of Motor Vehicles, or DMV. What is this place called where you live?
Excuse me.
Yes.
How can I get a driver's license?
All of the forms are on that table.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
First, you have to study this book and take this test. Next, you have to take a driving class. Then, you come here and take a driving test. This is an identification card, or ID. ID. You can get an ID now and a driver's license later. Remember, you can't drive a car with an identification card. You must have a driver's license.
How can we get an ID card?
Fill out this form and stand in line with your fee. A fee is the money you pay. Fee. Okay, let's fill out the forms.
Mr., Ms., Mrs. What is this?
That is your title. Men put Mr. before their name. If a woman is married, she puts Mrs. before her name. If a woman puts Ms. before her name, then you don't know if she's married or not.
Last name? First name? What does middle initial mean?
Middle initial means the first letter of your middle name. What is your middle name?
I don't have a middle name.
Okay, write N-A. N-A. That means not applicable.
My middle name is Young.
Your middle name is Young. The first letter of Young is Y. Your middle initial is Y. Okay?
What does mother's maiden name mean?
Your mother's maiden name is your mother's last name before marrying your father. My mother's last name before marrying my father was Anderson. So, my mother's maiden name is Anderson. Teresa, Teresa's dad. He is married to Teresa's mom. She is his wife. Wife. He is her husband. Husband. Their last name is Lopez. Before they were married, her last name was Ramos. Her maiden name is Ramos.
My mother's maiden name is Ramos. What does M-S-W-D mean?
M means married. They are married. Married. S means single. You're not married. W means widowed. You were married, but your husband or wife is dead. Dead. Or deceased. Deceased. D means divorced. You were married, but you ended your marriage. Divorced. Divorced.
Address, number, and street. City, state.
For California, just write CA.
Zip code. Phone number.
This is your area code. Area code.
What is this?
Sex is your gender. Gender. I am a man. My sex or gender is male. You are a female. Sam is a male. Isabel is a female. Men and boys are males. Women and girls are females. What gender are you?
I am a male.
What sex are you?
I am a female. Sex, female. Eye color, hair color. What does this mean?
These are eyes. Eyes. This is hair. Hair. What color are your eyes?
My eyes are brown.
Write brown for eye color. Sam, what color is Teresa's hair?
Her hair is black. What color is your hair?
Height means how tall you are. I am 5 feet 2 inches tall. I weigh 110 pounds. What is this?
If you live in the United States, you have a Social Security number or alien number. My Social Security number is 114261091.
My alien number is A27592284.
For Social Security, write NA.
I don't have a social security number or an alien number.
Talk to your dad. He will tell you your number.
Signature. Signature. Date. November 17th, 2003. Print your name. Print.
Teresa, stand in line with your form and fee. Sam, you can't give it to him until you get your alien number.
What are these? How much money is this? What is this? What is this? How much money do I have?
How much money does Teresa have?
How much money do you have?
What is this? What is this? How much money do I have?
How much money does he have?
How much money do you have?
What are these? What is this? What is this? How much money do I have?
What is this? What is this? How much money do I have?
How much money does she have?
How much money does she have?
How much money does she have?
Does she have a nickel?
Does she have a $20 bill?
How much money does she have?
How much money does he have?
Does she have a penny?
Does he have $33?
How much money do I have?
How much money do I have? How much money does she have?
Is she singing? What is she doing?
What are we doing? What is he doing? What is he looking at? Hi, my name is Teresa. I am from Colombia.
What is she doing?
When I'm hot, I eat ice cream. Mr. Tandy is my teacher. I like to run. I have a new job. Is he eating? What is he doing? Is he writing?
What is Teresa doing? Now what is she doing?
What is Mr. Tandy doing? Now what is he doing?
Is Teresa laughing? What is she doing? What is she doing?
What is he doing?
What am I doing? What are you doing?
What am I holding? What is this? Am I holding an apple? What am I eating? Can I eat this?
Sam, do you have to go home after school?
Yes, I have to go home after school.
Do you have to learn English?
Do you have to get a driver's license to drive a car?
What is this? What is that? What is that? What is that? Where am I? Who is she?
Now let's practice directions. Point up. Point down. Look up. Look down. Point left. Point right. Look left. Look right. Say school. Say book. Hey, I can't see.
Are the lights on or off? Are the lights on or off? I can't reach the light. Can you touch the ceiling? Can you eat a banana? Can you eat your pencil?
What day is today? What day was it yesterday? What day will it be tomorrow? What is the date today? What was the date yesterday? What will the date be tomorrow?
What month is after June? What month is before November? What month was it 4 months ago? What day was it 3 days ago? What are you going to do tomorrow?
June, July, August are summer. Which season is December, January, February? My last name is Lopez. What is your last name? What is your middle name? What time is it? What time was it 15 minutes ago? What time was it 2 hours ago?
Take out this form, please. You need this form and a pen. I'm going to write my information. You write your information. Write your last name or family name. My family name is Chang. You write your last name. Write your first name. My first name is Isabel. My middle name is Lucinda, so my middle initial is L. Circle your title, Mr., Ms., or Mrs. I am a girl, so my sex is female. My mother's last name was Wong before she married my father, so her maiden name is Wong. I am single. I live at 3472 Maple Drive. Baker, California. Nine 4018. My phone number is area code 650-555-4829. My eyes are brown. My hair is black. Brown eyes, black hair. I am 5 feet 8 inches tall. My weight is 120 pounds. My social security number is 990978512. Write your social security number. If you don't have a social security number, write NA. My alien number is A275922284. Write your alien number. If you don't have an alien number, write NA. Write your birth date. Signature. Sign your name. Print your name. Write the date.
Merci tout le monde. Tout étudiant nou yo qui t'a suivi émission ça. Merci ou même qui t'apprend classe ça, anglais ça avec nous niveau 1 et nous dit bon travail, bonne pratique et n'a rendez-vous jeudi dans même le ça 11h30 n'a continuer ensemble avec vous dans un autre niveau, c'est que n'a mettez fin dans session à partir de mois juillet qui déjà là, fin juillet n'a mettez fin dans session pour nous recommencer avec un lot qui donc mesdames messieurs nous gagnons un cours espagnol aussi que n'a garanti mais nous t'ai toujours voulu que auditoire là lui-même li choisi ça bon pour lui et que en même temps si nous voulons prendre cours espagnol là et après que nous fin tendez anglais si nous voulons par la suite nous passer 1 heure de temps avec espagnol là, donc nous tapons automatiquement tout bon classe espagnol là. Mais nous toujours voulons que ou même ou laisser nous connaître et disponibilité et c'est ça qui fait que nous dit dans commentaire nous t'a besoin gagner tout participant et mettez en bas et live là fait qu'on est yo adopté et espagnol là dans même l'heure. Donc si quoi t'a duré 1 heure de temps ou bien 1h30, la durée 2h30. C'est que et par la suite après anglais nous abjoignent espagnol là. Mais si nous voulons pour nous bailler anglais seulement et après n'a passé dans phase espagnol là, n'a terminé session, après ça pour nous commencer avec espagnol là, n'a fait comme ça. Ou bien nous pas gérer l'heure de façon à ce que pour nous mettre anglais à yon l'heure et ou bien yon jour et espagnol là dans yon l'autre jour. Donc mesdames messieurs, ou même qui t'a suivre étudiantes connaissance et richesse, n'a demandé partager et émission ça permettre que tout le monde branché, tout le monde qui t'a intéressé pour apprendre une langue étrangère qui donc à travers ti cause sur Haïti News Info ou branché nous depuis New Jersey, mesdames messieurs, États-Unis d'Amérique et ou gagné présentateur émission ça PDG ti cause sur Haïti et non Octavien qui était là ensemble avec vous pour accompagner vous. Qui donc n'apprend l'autre rendez-vous jeudi si Dieu veut à la même heure 11h30 ou même qui pas de cola ou même qui pas de chance pour te commencer ensemble avec nous ou capable continuer ou capable faire une révision tout aller dans et classe qui passait déjà yo pour pas en retard. Merci tout le monde, n'a rendez-vous avec vous pour émission analyse politique que nous gagnons demain vendredi 6h30. Rendez-vous cassé, n'attend tout le monde, mesdames, messieurs. Bye bye, bon week-end et bonne semaine, dis-je, bonne semaine. Bye bye tout le monde et à la prochaine. À la prochaine.